Ever been in a meeting, ready to close a deal, and then, crickets? Your payment processor fails you, and the deal slips through your fingers. Frustrating, right? Well, today we're tackling a burning question. Can Airwallex accept credit card payments? Airwallex is a global financial technology company making waves in the world of international business. They offer a suite of financial services, from cross-border payments to business cards, and even embedded finance solutions. But can you actually use Airwallex to process those sweet credit card payments? The short answer? Yes. Airwallex absolutely supports credit card payments. But it's not just a simple yes. Let's dive deeper. Airwallex provides a robust payment gateway that integrates seamlessly with your online store or point-of-sale system. This means you can easily accept various card types, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, from customers around the globe. Now, here's the kicker: Airwallex isn't just about accepting payments. They're all about optimizing the entire payment process. Global reach: Airwallex excels in cross-border transactions. If you're an international business, you can accept payments in multiple currencies and minimize those pesky foreign exchange fees. Competitive pricing: Airwallex offers competitive transaction fees, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Enhanced security: security is paramount. Airwallex employs advanced fraud prevention measures to protect both you and your customers from fraudulent activities. Streamlined operations: Airwallex's platform is designed for efficiency. You can easily track transactions, reconcile payments, and manage your finances all in one place. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient payment solution that can help you grow your international business, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.